Ever wondered how to do some really cool runs with your voice? Well, today I'm going to show you an exercise that can help you do just that. For the best tips and advice on becoming the greatest singer you can be, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Thursday. And if you would like 3 fantastic exercises to help you on your way, then you can get those right here. I have some free training, which is 3 exercises to help you with your vocal pitching, your vocal range, and your vocal power. And the link to that is right below this video. So if you're a singer that likes to sing pop, then you're going to want to know how to sing runs. Now, what is a run? Now, I'd call a run just something that moves pretty quickly between different notes. So a run, for example, A. But how do we do that with our voices? Well, a good place to start is to just break the whole thing down and do it really, really slowly. So let's do that. So that was the run that I sang. Hey! But this is it again, slowly, and I'm going to sing it. So let's do that really slowly. So we've got to get the melody first. Sometimes people just rush into runs and either they've heard someone do a run and they're trying to copy it and they're not getting all the notes and it's just a big mush of pitches. So the best thing is to really break it down like this and take it one note at a time. And until you've got it slowly, you're not going to be able to sing it fast. So really break it down. So getting that bit first. Back up. Let's do that one again. Then back up again. And again. Back up. So a little bit different at the end to just go back up to the note you were just on. Okay, so again. Obviously, when it's slowed down, you might want to take some breaths in between each kind of section of the run. When you speed it up, you can do it all in one breath, okay? So the trick is with this is to take your time, speed it up gradually, and you'll start to feel how your voice can move freely and quickly, but it takes practice. Bit faster. Bit faster. Okay, so just speed it up. But the best thing to do is to break it down. And that is my top tip for this. If it's a run you've heard, really try and hear the exact notes that they're singing. Pull it apart. Break it down. Put it all back together, slowly build up the speed, okay? And the more you practice things like this, the easier it will become. You have to know where you're going. It's not just a stab in the dark at you know, it's just going to sound horrendous. Yeah, so break down a run. So thanks for joining me. I hope that's helped. Practice that run and it will get easier the more you do it. Break it down, take your time, slow it down, speed it back up. Bang, you'll get it down. You'll get it nailed. Let me know how it goes. Don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video, share with your friends, give me a like, give me some comments, and if you haven't already signed up for your free vocal technique training, you can. There's 3 fantastic exercises for your vocal pitching, your vocal range, and your vocal power. And you can do that by clicking the link below this video. So I'll see you again soon, guys. Have a great day. See you again at Singer's Advice.